feature, the eerie, silent launch of a Tesla Model 3 Performance, and in the other, the thundering, chest-pounding roar of an Audi RS7 exploding off the line. One is a ghost, a silent assassin that feels like it's rewriting the laws of physics. The other is a V8 Titan, a masterpiece of German engineering that screams its dominance from the rooftops. This is more than just a car comparison. It's a battle between the future and the absolute peak of the present. But this isn't just about a drag race. We're talking about the real world. When the race is over and you have to drive one of these home and live with it, which one is the true king? The answer might not be what you think. The Audi RS7. This thing is a monster, packing a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that puts out a staggering 621 horsepower. It's the very definition of combustion performance, a beautiful symphony of controlled explosions. The new Tesla Model 3 Performance. It's rocking two electric motors that deliver over 500 horsepower. It's lighter, there's no engine roar, no complicated transmission, just brutal, instant electric power. On paper, the Audi has more raw power, but the Tesla is lighter and costs less than half the price. So how does that all translate to the street? From a dead stop, that instant torque in the Tesla is just devastating. The new Model 3 Performance can hit 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.9 seconds. The Audi, even with its incredible launch control, is a hair slower, making the same sprint in about 3.3 seconds. But a race isn't won in the first 60 feet. As the speeds climb, the story starts to change. In a quarter-mile drag race, the Audi's sheer V8 horsepower starts to reel the Tesla in. Tests show the RS7 crossing the line in just 11.4 seconds, with the Model 3 right on its tail at around 11.8 seconds. The Audi also has a higher top speed, giving it the edge on a long pull. Now, what about when the road gets curvy? Let's be clear, both of these cars are unbelievably capable. The RS7 feels absolutely glued to the road, with that legendary Quattro all-wheel drive giving you insane confidence in the corners. The Tesla is nimble and sharp, thanks to a new adaptive suspension system, but the Audi gives you a more raw, connected feeling. It's the difference between a surgeon's scalpel and a sledgehammer. Both are brutally effective, they just feel worlds apart. We're about to give our final verdict, but I want to hear from you first. Which one are you taking? The roaring V8 beast or the silent EV rocket? Drop your pick in the comments below.